Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basel on February 20, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. And 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. Column J, 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H and column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Eighth row and 2nd grade, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. For 8th row also we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row and column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. So 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column H and column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, 3rd row, we have 4. 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 1st grade, we have 6 and 2. 6 and 2 can't come these cells. 6th row also we have 6 and 2. It can't come these cell. it will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column C, only 3 numbers are remaining, 178. Fourth grade, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells. Third row we get 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Second row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column D, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column D, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Second row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Fourth row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column H, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column H, column I, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. In fourth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 10th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 9th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 9th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 9th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Ninth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 5th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 3. Column D, we have 6 and 3, so 6 and 3 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells, then only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Sixth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 10th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 10th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.